Hello student, today I will teach you English literature. Your first chapter is poem How Beautiful the World Is. This poem is written by Paul King. In this poem, poet admired the beauty of nature. Look around you, it is amazing. We live in such a breathtaking environment that is full of magic and wonder. In this poem, poet specially described the spring season. Spring season is the season of greenery. This season, we see different kinds of flower bloom everywhere. The earth look green and fresh. Now, let's start this poem. Do you go out for a morning walk with your parents? What do you see early in the morning? Everything seems to be fresh and healthy. Everything beautiful has been created by whom? Read the poem to know about it. Now let's start. How beautiful the world is. How blue the sky above. How green the grass in the morning dew. How musical the dove. Eyes to see the color bright. Ears for music of delight. Nose to smell the fragrant rose. Skin to feel the breeze that blow. How beautiful the world is. How blue the sky above. God is there in all creation, flowing forth in light and love. Now read again. How beautiful the world is. How blue the sky above. How green the grass in the morning dew. How musical the dove. Eyes to see the color bright. Ears for music of delight. Nose to smell the fragrant rose. Skin to feel breeze that blows. How beautiful the world is. How blue the sky above. God is there in all creation, flowing forth in light and love. Poet wants to say that the world is so beautiful. The color of sky is blue. That's look very beautiful. And the grass, its color is green, and the green color is also very beautiful. When we see in the morning the grass is wet because of dew. Dew is the water droplet that we find in the morning or evening due to condensation. How beautiful, how musical the dove. In this line, poet say that the chirping of bird is very musical. Dove is a like of bird, pigeon like a bird, but smaller and lighter than pigeon. Eyes to see the color bright, ear for music of delight. When we see different kinds of color outside, we feel very delightful. Delightful means very happy. Nose to smell the fragrant rose, skin to feel the breeze that blow. We feel the breeze which is very fresh and healthy, and our nose having pleasant smell of rose and other flowers also. How beautiful the world is. The world is so beautiful. How blue the sky above. Look at the sky, it's blue. It's feel very good. God is there in all creation. Who create this? Who create this? God. Yes, God create this all these beautiful things for us. In this poem, poet want to say that God created these beautiful things like blue sky, green grass, morning dew, fresh and healthy breeze, musical birds, different fragrant flowers, feels us happy and delightful. Now see the new words with their meanings also. Dew means tiny drops of water we can see on grass in the early morning. Okay, dove means bird like pigeon. Delight means happiness. Fragrant means having pleasant smell. Breeze means gentle wind. Forth, out from a point. Okay, you have to do this word meanings in your copy also. After that you will do question answers. We will send you worksheet on your WhatsApp, then you will do these exercises also. Question answer, look at the question number 1. Answer the following question. What has been created in the poem? What has been described in the poem? What has been described in the poem? The beautiful world. In this poem, poet has been described the beautiful world. Question number 2. What is the color of sky above? What is the color of sky? Yes, the blue. Blue is the color of sky above. How does the grass look in the morning dew? How does the grass look in the morning dew? The grass look green in the morning dew. Which organ do you use? Do we use to feel the blowing breeze? Which organ? Tell me. Yes, skin. We use skin to feel the blowing breeze. Who is there in all creation? Who create these beautiful things for us? Yes, God create all beautiful things. Okay. Now put question number B. Put a tick mark on the correct option. The world as described in the poem is vast, beautiful, green. Which is correct answer? Yes, beautiful. The dove in the poem is musical, white or blue? The dove is musical. Its chirping is very musical. Question number 3. We have skin to feel the breeze, sky, dove. Yes, breeze. We feel breeze. The rose in the poem is red, fragrant, none. Which is correct answer? Yes. The smell of rose is fragrant. Okay, fragrant means a pleasant smell. God is there in all creation. Okay, answer is A, creation. After this, you have to do grammar portion in your book. You have to do this exercise on your book only. See, a noun is a word that name a person, place, animal or thing. For example, boy, India, crow, car. Look at there. The person, the name of person means any name. Place, any place. Animal, bird or thing. These are noun. Write the noun given below in the correct column. Hospital, car, hair, elephant, bag, teacher, crow, mosquito, book, school, farmer, jug, cobbler, peacock, bank, driver. In first column, you have to write only persons here. Okay. Find out the person. Look at person is teacher, farmer, cobbler and driver. We have to write these in persons. Okay. Place, hospital, mosque, bank, school are places. Animals, hare, elephant, crow, peacock. Okay, these are animals and bird also. Peacock is a bird. Now things. Things are car, bag, jug. Okay, these are things. Book. I did like you to meet now. Clone. We want to wear only nouns on his clothes. Cross off all the words on his clothes that are not noun. Find out the word which are not nouns. Okay. We will give you worksheet. You have to do from this. You have to do these exercise also. We will send you worksheet. Okay. And you have to write some hard words also. Okay, then bye.